Hello everyone, I have previously done a couple videos on these headphones. I am here to tell you how long they last. For those of you who are new here, these headphones are advertised to be noise canceling and obviously wireless. So I'm here to tell you how long they lasted for me. I'm going to take them out of the box now. They were fine and my favorite headphones until they did this. So this happened to me when I was on an airplane. They just stopped working and I was like, what the heck? So I tried to charge it when I got off the plane. It didn't work. So then this came apart after that. And I was like, okay, well, that's that. So for me, that was 2 years. I got these 2 years ago, obviously. But I would use them a lot. So maybe if you use them less, they last longer. But I just know a lot of people inquire about these specific headphones because they are so cheap. They're literally only $5 at Dollar Tree. I feel like for 2 years, $5 is still worth it. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. It's just, I don't enjoy people spending money on things that they don't need to, especially when it's a lot of money. I would go get another pair of these, and I actually have. So these are the new ones that I have. You can go watch the video of me unboxing these if you would like to. I have videos where I have explained how to work these specific kinds, how to turn them on, charge them, know if they're charging. I've answered a lot of questions in the comments on my other videos. If you want to go watch those too, you can. Thank you so much for watching this specific video.